In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on / off conversation view in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This will open the Quick Settings panel on the right side. Scroll down inside the Quick Settings panel until you find the section called Email Threading. In this section, you will see an option for Conversation View. To turn on Conversation View, simply check the box for Conversation View. Gmail will notify you that it needs to reload in order to apply the change. Click Reload and wait for the page to finish refreshing. Conversation View groups emails with the same subject into a single thread, making it easier to follow email discussions and see replies in one place instead of viewing each message separately. If you want to turn the feature off, you can simply uncheck the Conversation View box in the same email threading section. For example, in this demonstration, we will leave it as it is, but you can toggle the setting depending on your preference. Alternatively, you can manage the same setting from the full Gmail settings page. To do this, click See All Settings at the top of the Quick Settings sidebar. Once the settings page opens, stay under the General tab and scroll down until you find the Conversation View section. Here you can choose between Conversation View on or Conversation View off, depending on how you want Gmail to display your messages. After selecting your preferred option, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload the page to apply the updated setting to your current account. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the same settings page and repeat the process to switch the option on or off again. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.